Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the damper control assembly in this GE refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Remove the upper shelf from the refrigerator compartment. Next, detach the LED light cover by pulling it down from the rear. Depress the left side of the water filter housing cover to detach. Pull the lower damper access cover out and down to remove. Now use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two lower mounting screws, securing the damper control assembly. Disconnect the LED light wire connector. Next, unthread the 4 screws securing the LED light housing. You can now unthread the 2 upper screws securing the damper assembly. With the screws unthreaded, disconnect the wire connector, and you can fully remove the old assembly. To install the new damper control assembly, first connect the wire connector. Then position the assembly over the vent boot as you align it on the liner. Thread the 2 upper screws and the 2 lower screws to secure. Insert the lower damper access cover tabs into the slots in the damper assembly and push the cover up to snap it into place. Realign the LED light housing and secure it with the 4 screws. Connect the LED light wire connector. Replace the light cover by first inserting the rear tabs into the slots, then snap the upper tabs into place. Realign the filter housing cover and snap it into position. Replace the upper shelf. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.